this room,
Oh, what room?
right?
Oh.
This is where they have to come into.
Uh-huh.
And they have to, I'm going to put a wee box in the centre, we carry case.
Yeah.
They have to get that and they have to bring it back again to the fire exit, okay?
Right.
So remember, if you get shot, you're only out for 10 seconds,
Uh-huh.
then you're back up again, count in your head, back in again.
Right. Skies of blue. Red roses.
As the dad says, general teenage noises. Okay, get started. 3, 2, 1.
No, you did not. I'm a cuckoo. No, you said it.
Right, with that, he said. Everything good?
My GoPro fell off again.
So, hold on. Stop there for 1 second. Is the two guys that came in dead?
I think so.
Yeah.
I'll go for them.
That's not good.
See when we go down, can we crawl or do we die 10
If you
seconds?
get shot, you can crawl for the 10 seconds, but you still have to stay down for 10 seconds, but you crawl.
And if they shoot you when you're crawling, they
They're
can't.
not allowed to shoot
Right,
when you
okay.
crawl, okay? Guys, stop. Retire. You're not allowed to shoot dogs when they're on the ground. 3, 2, 1.
I know, but you can crawl. Do you know how you can crawl? You can crawl.